Hi guys, this is Brohat. Guys, this is our binning topic, binning training, which we will know about binning. Okay, what is a binning, guys? If you are a carder or a spammer, you do spamming or carding, you know about the importance of bins. Okay, when whenever whenever you need a valid bin to card a particular website, right? The website need non VBV, non VBV, non VBV indicates non OTP. Okay, it's indicate no 3D security. Okay, this is a no 3D security. No 3D security means is never ask you OTP whenever you try to log in. Whenever you buy a CC from UniCC or if you spam CC, it will have so many CCs will get non VBV. It's almost or VBV. VBV, I will tell about VBV. VBV indicates it's OTP, right? It asks you OTP, right? It asks you OTP. Here OTP means it will known as 3D security, right? This is a 3D security. 3D security means asking OTP, OTP or any security informations which you didn't know. You cannot bypass this. Okay, don't think that we can bypass this. Many scammers will tell you can bypass, we have methods, so don't go on them. It will never bypass OTP because this is a highly secure. VBV is a highly secure. Mostly VBV use in India, UK, and Pakistan, and where the GDP is very low. Where the GDP is very low means economy is very low. They will use VBV because they need security. So just think that where the economy is low, they use VBV. They use VBV, right? It will ask you OTP. So you don't need VBV, right? You don't need VBV. We only need non VBV, right? It will never ask you OTP. Non VBV never ask you OTP. OTP, right? It will never ask you OTP. You can easily bypass it by connecting to VPN, SOCKS, or any method. If you This is not for a beginner. This course for carders who can card. You know carding very well. So this course is not for beginners, right? If you are a beginner, just buy for educational purpose. We are showing we not encourage you to do illegal activities. We are providing this knowledge for only for educational purpose. Okay, let's go. Okay, you understand it. This is a main concept, right? This is a main concept. I will talk you about this also. First thing, we need credit cards for carding, right? We need right we need credit cards for carding, right? Card. So some guys who don't know what is bin, some guys buy discovery. This is a card name. Okay, okay. Wait, I will okay, let's talk. This is a discover card, right? Discover card is not useful, right? It's not useful. It is also useful but not like other cards. i will tell you I will tell you about many cards, right? I will tell you about many cards. Discovery is not mostly used card. Okay, we don't focus on discovery, right? You can focus, but in this topic, in this training, I will not focus on discovery and Maestro, Mestro, Maestro. This is also a credit card, right? We are not focusing on these cards because it will depend upon you. If uh, in in this training, I will show you each and every method, right? You can apply this method by using by these names, but don't take high chances on these cards, okay? Because these cards are mostly not secure, right? Because it will ask you, it will have non VBV. Most time it have non VBV. So I am not recommend. I will not providing. I will not recommend you to do this research. Okay, and many website like Amazon, Netflix, and many website do not accept this credit cards, Discovery and Maestro. Okay, main. Let's come on useful cards. Okay, useful cards. What is a useful cards? Okay, useful cards. In useful cards you will get Visa, right? Visa, Mastercard, Mastercard, right? In Mastercard, Amex, and next is Amex. These are very useful cards, right? These are very useful because eh, where the economy is high, in some states like USA, New York, and many states like economy is very high. They don't apply 3D security. They don't apply 3D security because they can recover. They think we can recover. They have a lot of money, so they will not apply 3D security. Where is the 3D? See, this is a, they don't apply 3D security because they have so much money. Like I am talking like this is a very economy high states like USA and many UK, USA, New York, Canada. There are a lot of rich people. So they will never keep, like in 40 to 50% the peoples in UK, USA, they will never apply 3D security on their credit cards because they don't need to do. Okay, let's talk Visa. Visa visa is verified by its own security, like it's verified by Visa, right? Right, it's having a own security of Visa, right? Okay, Mastercard is secure. The gateway is Mastercard. I am talking about gateway, right? The gateway of Visa is verified Visa, and the gateway of Mastercard is Mastercard is secure. Mastercard secure. The gateway. This is a security gateway. I am talking about security gateways. Okay. In Amex secured by 3D. Right. Amex is secured by 3D. Right. Okay. See, in we need to find VB non VBV bins in these cards, right? Amex, Mastercard, Visa, right? We need to find, and other other is AVS, right? Other is this is a 3D security. No, this is also this is a security, and other security is, let's talk about AVS. AVS indicates, see, this is a address verification system. What is a address verification system? See, address verification system. See, in address verification system, it will not ask you OTP, right? It will not ask you OTP, but right here, it's not ask you OTP. You OTP. Sorry, OTP. It will ask you zip code. It's ask you it's ask you zip code, right? This will ask you zip code because this AVS means address verification system. See, address indicate to zip code. Okay, when you hack or spam or buy any CC, they will have a you must need zip code because some website is secured by this gateway AVS. If the zip code is wrong and your CC and CCV is live and working perfectly and it's have a lot of money on credit card, but if you type wrong zip code, it will never do your work. Okay, it will dead your card. The card might be dead if you use wrong zip code. In AVS, zip code is important, right? Important, very important. Without zip code you cannot card. Okay, it is very important, right? Let's talk about we completed AVS, right? Okay, now second topic, right? And this is I explained about credit cards, right? In second topic I will explain you about binning, how to find bins. Second topic, how to find bins, right? Bins. See, how to find bins. First we use a public database like bins. Okay, bins.su, bins.pw. Okay, let's type here. We use public method which is provided in public database. I will show you that method. Wait, first we will write using public database. Public database means I will show you. Wait, public database like bin dot su and beans dot pw. These two domains are same. Okay, you can and okay, these two websites are same. And second method is using password generator tool, right? Using password generating tool, right? By using password generating tool. Okay, let's begin our practical now. Okay, we need to do practical right now. Okay, let's go on my text sites. Let's copy this bins.su, right? Copy it and paste it here. Bins.su and bins.pw, bins.pw, right? See, this is a this is a database, right? This is a database of bins, right? We will talk about here. See, here we are seeing master in bins, in vendor, level, okay, and region, right? See, most of the time, see, Union Pay is highly secure, right? Under this it will come DCI, then Discover, then Mastro, then MX, okay, then Visa, then MC. But we need Visa because Visa will highly chances to get a valid bins. This is a public method, right? I will teach you private also, but just focus on public method. Okay, this is a public websites. Okay, but see, in level prepaid indicates to it will take as a online payment. Okay, online, online payment, it's known as a prepaid. In prepaid we don't need prepaid, and electron signature, platinum. We don't need this. Okay, we don't need this to find bins. Okay, we don't. If you want to try, you can try, but important is classic and standard. Okay, this first one. Then see, virtual. Virtual means, see, in virtual, if you know, by some guys will buy numbers and apply for virtual credit cards to buy to card sorry, to card RDPs, AWS. They will take virtual cards, right? Like iMudra and something. There are many things. Airtel also provide you a virtual card. Paytm also provide you a virtual card, and this is known as a virtual card, right? So virtual card is known as providing. Okay, this is known as a I will explain you about virtual, right? Purchasing. Here you can see purchasing. Purchasing is a temporary card. Okay, what is a purchasing card means, when you, this is only for one time work, right? When you, the example, if I will take a purchasing card, in purchasing card I have 30 to $50, right? If I use 30 to $50, after using that card, and I will kill that card, purchasing card. I will kill. I don't use again this card, purchasing card. It is only for one time. Okay, it is only for one time. Okay, cash. Cash is not for us. Okay, infinite. This is a infinite. You can see we don't need this. Okay, we need only virtual cards. And business, I don't need business right now, so I am recommend you to use virtual, right? See, you do, if you don't need this, you can, if you doesn't take this, you will get lot of bins. Okay, you don't need to worry that. Okay, now I need only virtual, right? But see, I need only virtual, but here you don't need to type bank name, right? If you know some bank names, you can type, but I don't know any banks names. You can simply search on Google and type it. Okay, but here country is very important, right? Here country is very important, because I already previously tell you, where the economy is very high, very high, you will find a lot of credit cards which does not use 3D security, right? Example, I will use here Canada, right? Canada, right? See, there are types. Mostly in carding trials and physical products, we use credit and debit. Okay, right? But to card trailer and streaming sites, anything, you can use debit, right? You can use debit. After, just find it, just type the find and find it. So I get it a lot of credit cards, right? See, this is a bins, right? This is a bins. See, but there is a problem. So there is a problem. What is the problem? Means, see, this card will be used by lot of peoples, because in Telegram you can see many guys are posting lot of bins by using this method. But see, you need to do hard work to find this, to find what, to find private credit cards, right? Private bins, I will teach you later that one also in this training only. Just focus on this. But I need to know, I need to tell you, it's my responsibility to tell you each and every concept. Okay, let's check these bins. Okay, check these bins, right? Let's how to check bins, right? Here is a bin list dot net, right? Here is a bin list dot net. So see, we don't need oh my god, yeah, okay, don't worry, you can also get from here, right? I use it recently, I used this website, but you can also do same work in this. Okay, see, see guys, see, I just copy this bin, right? 431516, right? I will copy this and I will paste it here, right? Just create this and paste it here. Bins are 6 digit. Okay, I sorry to explain you. See, actually bins are indicates to bank identification number. Okay, bank identification number. Okay, right, number. But this is a bank identification number, no? But it will contain only 6 digits. Okay, bins contain only 6 digits numbers. Okay, okay, right? That's it, guys. This is a basic knowledge about binning, right? I will tell you about more. Okay, let's type the which I copied from. Let's see, 431516, right? 431516. Just see, I got it. This, right? I got it. This results. You need to just paste it and type enter, right? You will get lot of results, right? See, this is a visa. Here it's selected visa, right? You can also select MX. Okay, but it's depend upon you. You want to do hard work to find. I will teach you how to find. Okay, don't need to worry about it. See, but see, this is a not valid. This is a debit, right? But it's not valid, but it's not showing prepaid, right? I need prepaid, right? See, prepaid indicates it's having a low level of carding, right? If prepaid is no, you can card. There is a chances of bins to work. Okay, let's take another bin. I will explain. If you're not understanding, I will explain you again, don't worry. Let's copy the bin and paste it here. Let's see guys, this is a I need these types of results. See, first of all, see, this is showing me visa, right? It is a debit, so we selected debit, right? But we no need, see, we need these types of result. In prepaid we need to highlight no, because no, if there is a prepaid, it is very low chance to card product. It's not about we cannot do that's not like we cannot do carding, but we don't we it is very low chances to get our premium subscriptions. It will make low advantages of premium subscriptions, so don't, I will recommend you, if you search bin and you get yes result, don't use that bin. Okay, don't use that bin, because it will totally time waste you. Sometimes it will get you hit, but it will, most of the time it will give you more not good results, right? Okay, okay, see, here I just see, now I what I will do means, okay, wait, okay guys, see, here here is getting me 16 length, like, see, length. The Visa credit card have 16 digit length, right? See, let's go on here, right? See, here we have a bin, right? Let's copy the bin and copy it and paste it here, right? Paste it. After pasting, see, we have only 6, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? But Visa having 16 digit number, right? To get this 16 digit number, we will type here x x x x x 10 times, x. Okay, you think what is this? You know already, but you don't know the concept. This is known as a algorithm. No, this is known as a loan algorithm. Rhythm. This loan algorithm will help you to generate the credit cards as it is. Okay. Okay. Whenever you paste this, okay, let's copy it and go in NAMSO CCGen. I will show you, don't worry. I will explain you each and every method on bins. Okay. NAMSO CCGen, right? See, whenever I type here whenever I type here X, it will automatically get me a numbers. This is known as a algorithm, right? These are algorithms which will give me output of this, right? It will make itself random. But in in uh, in next of videos I will show you how to make extrap. Like, okay, don't need to worry, just I need to clear your mind. Okay, just see, this is a loan algorithm. It will help us a lot. Okay, it will help us a lot. Okay. Okay, next, this is a private public method, right? We get it from public websites. Okay, this is a public bins pro, and this bins w bins.py, this is a public, right? But we will get some private methods. Okay, this is the how to get private methods means, just go on temp dash mail dot io, right? Or going on tempmail.io, right? This you need to just get this. Okay, just visit this website and you need a email from it. Okay, you don't need to use temp mail or others, you need to use only this one, right? And then you need to go on saya pro dot us, right? sayapro.us. I will this is also a, I will teach you how to do this. Okay, don't worry, just click on register. Right here is a register, just go and register. Okay, let's copy this email, copied, then paste it here and choose any password according to you. I will choose anything. Let's type here the captcha. Let's register it. This website is very helpful, guys. This website is very helpful because I this website have a lot of features. Okay. Okay, wait, I just typed a captcha wrong. MDBIP. You don't need to type invitation code. Okay, MDBIP, right? Okay, security is incorrect. Okay, wait, let's do it again. Don't need to worry, let's register again. Let's paste it this mail which I copied from temp mail, and let's type password and let's type, right? Just register it. Message error, email already registered. Okay, no problem. What I will do means, I will change again email. I don't know why. Okay, open email history. Okay, I will get one other email, right? Let's click on register, right? In register, type email field and password. I will choose whatever. Captcha is RNRCA, right? Click on register. Okay, registration is successful. Paste it here and type password. Right? What happened? See, wait. I just typed my password wrong, I think so. Wait, guys. Just wait it. Okay. Okay. Just leave it. Let's make another account. Why? I don't know why it's showing me error, right? Let's make another account. We have time for you. Okay. What is this? Okay, right. Just again click on random. Okay, I got it. New email, right? This I got it in new email. Go on here. Okay, sorry. Let's go on Saya Pro and type here email. Okay, just paste a password and RAPYO, right? Register here. What happened? Let's wait. Wait. Let's log in. Paste it here. Let's log in. Okay. What is the problem? It's occurring. Wait a minute. I will do. Let's again. Okay. Let's copy this one. HDMO. Paste it here. Right. IA FER. Okay. I just please check your email, right? It's given me a code. Let's check. Wait. Message. It's refreshing. Error to get a message. Try again. Okay, don't worry about it. Because this will take a little bit time, okay? Please check your spam folder. Don't know why it's taking a lot of time. See, I got it one email, but it's not showing here. So we will try again, okay? Don't need to worry about it. message well incoming message. Okay, here I get an email, right, from Sai. The code is this one, right? I will copy this code and paste it here, right? And I will paste it here. This is a code which I got it, right? This is a code which I got it on that email, and let's complete the captcha. Right, let's register it. Yes, it's loading. Yes, registration is successful, right? Let's copy the email again. Copy the email again. I just copied, paste it here, and wait. Yes, I typed the password wrong. Okay, let's try again. Let's enter it again. I just forget it the password again. Wait. Okay, I got it. Right? It's taking a time. Okay. So I got it this one. I created account on it. Okay. I created an account successfully. I created an account in Saya Pros. Okay. Right. But we need to how we can make the bins, right? How we can make bins. I will show you how to make bins. Wait guys. Show you. Wait. Okay, I am back. Okay, I am back. Okay, see, see, see. In this, just okay, we successfully created account, but we need to create bins, right? How we can create a bins? Go on the website moard.com. Right? This is a website. First, we need to make a password. If oh my god, it's asking me ma, right? Ma dot com. Okay, this is a see. I just typed something wrong. Okay, but I will teach you the concept, right? And guys must see, we need a suffix for it. What is a suffix? I will teach you. Okay, what is a suffix? I will teach you. Okay. Okay, to create suffix we need text mechanic. Okay, text mechanic, right? This is a important websites for us to create our own bin. Okay, to create our own bin. This is a exact process of making a bin. Okay, I will teach you which bin is I will teach you how to code your own bin checker, right? It will it will show you. Okay, it will show you at. Okay, I understand. I have this box. Okay, it's okay. Here you will see adds prefix and suffix into line. Okay, just click on it. Okay, see, see, let's make. Okay, my this is rocking my ad. Okay, don't worry, I will open in Firefox. Okay, don't need to worry about it, just close it and I will open. See, we need to type here. See, I will show you the concept. Okay, see, let's clear this. See, I have a digit number, right? I have a 6 digit number which is known as a bin, right? To but but I need lot of numbers to make lot of bins, right? To make a lot of bins, I will generate some numbers which will help me to get a private bins. Okay, how to generate it? Just go on it in this website moar.com. Just type here password length is you must keep here 5, right? You can but see why I typed 5 here, because see, see, let's go in Google. You no need to go on Google, just take here. But see, if you want to create master, okay, visa classic, you can get anyone, but I explained you before. Okay, let's filter it visa. Let's filter visa, only visa. What I am getting, see, I am getting 4. Starting number is 4, right? To get exact credit card numbers, you need to find the first number. Okay, to for visa it is 4. Okay, let's type here for visa. Okay, for visa 4 number. Okay, right? Okay, for Amex, let's see for Amex reset. Okay, type on Amex. Filter Amex. What will I get? Wait. Here Amex. Okay, it's not showing. Let's select anything here. I will select here classic light, right? And filter it. What I am doing here, I am finding the before single number of any bins. Okay, yes, let's try here. Let's find here. It's showing no bins of MX. Okay, just find again. Okay, don't worry, no need to worry, just type on Google. Okay, I need Mastercard also. Mastercard bin, starting bin. I need a, okay, just type here bin, Mastercard bin, right? Bin list of Mastercard, right? Here is a bin DB. It will help you a lot. Okay, in future it will help you a lot. See, Visa, it started with 5, right? 4, sorry, 4. See, I typed here for Visa it's 4. For see, for Visa we no need this. Okay, we no need this, we only need this. Okay, we only need this. For Mastercard we need 5, right? We need 5. Only one digit I am telling about, not for whole bin. I am just telling you the starting first number. Okay, for Mastercard card, the first digit is 5, right? Right, first. Okay, Visa, Amex. Amex is also a very good card. Okay, you can find bin. I will. You can generate any types of bins. I will show you that. I am showing this method. Okay, you can generate, but you need a starting numbers, right? You no need 37, right? You only need 3. Just take 3. For Amex, we need only 3, right? Sorry, we only need 3. Amex starting number is 3. Okay, then then okay, there is a Discover. I don't recommend you Discover. Okay, this is a good beans, right? Amex, Visa, Mastercard, this is a good beans. Okay, you can search it and you can make yourself lot of beans. Okay, I will tell you the concept. Okay, let's go on. Wait a minute. Okay guys, sorry for that. See, because I open a tab of prefix. Okay, in okay, I because you also need to open this link. Okay, this link, right? You need to open this link and just go on this pin list. You no need make password. This is a you need you need only what I said. We need to only generate after the first digit number. We just type here 5. Okay, the quantity is, I will take the quantity is 50 or 100. Okay, I will take only 50, right? I will take only 50. I don't need lowercase, I don't need uppercase, I don't need symbols. Okay, I don't need excludes. Okay, just I need numbers. Just check it on numbers and make password, right? Make password, it's take your time. Okay, you can type here more than 100, 200, 300. You can type anything. Okay, but but don't worry, I will teach you. We will tell that I can find this method, but I will teach you the extract method, which will get you 100% private bins. Okay, this is a starting. Okay, but see, I need to copy this. Okay, after copying this, what I want to do is I will go to tech mechanic, right? Just paste it here. Okay, paste it here. What is a prefix and suffix? Prefix indicates the first value. Here, this indicates the first value. This comes under prefix. Prefix is a primary value which comes before what you pasted here. Okay, because if I type here 5, it will comes under Mastercard bin. Okay, if I type 4 here, it will come under Visa. Okay, so oh, sorry, I just created. Okay, see, let's go on this type. What you want to generate? Which card you want to generate? You want to generate a bin of Visa, Mastercard, Amex. Which you want to generate? I want to generate Mastercard. Okay, just copy this 5. Let's go to Firefox and in prefix just type 5. Okay, and add prefix and suffix. Okay, and or suffix, just click here. Okay, it's given me the values. Okay, see the result came. So the exact is will done is it will add before what we pasted, it add 5. Okay, these are our bins, right? Let's see, let's copy this. Okay, I just copied it. Okay, go to Saya Pro. Okay, and type here slash bin, right? Just type slash bin. See, I got it a bins. Just paste your bin here. Just paste your bins here. Okay, just go to submit, right? Just submit it. I will get a results here. Okay, see, See, I got it a MasterCard, right? And this is a debit which I selected, okay? Which is debit, okay? Debit. But I will show you again. Wait for other results. Wait for other results. Okay, I think it's done, right? No, it's taking a time. Just I will pause the video, right? I will pause the video. Okay, guys, it's done. See, we got it a results, right? We got it a results. Okay, we need to watch one thing here. Okay, what we need to watch here? We got a debit, right? Debit, here credit, here credit, but I don't get bank name. I didn't get bank name here. Here in Italy, the bin of Italy, I got it a bank name, right? This is a bank name. Okay, this is a bank name. I got it a bank name. Okay, see, I got it a bank name of United States of America. You need to choose which gives you here bank name. You need bank name bin. You don't need this, which you don't need to select this. These are live, but it will no results if you if you buy bins, if you buy credit CC from these bins, is it will give you a very low chances of success. Okay, first this see I this is a good. Okay, it's giving me a bank and debit. You need to get this type of format. Okay, this type of format. You don't need this type of format. Okay, and these types of format. Okay, see, here showing credit, here showing not credit, here showing United States of America. See, there are lot of things are missing. Perfect thing is this one. Okay, and this one is a perfect thing because it's showing bin, MasterCard, debit, and bank name and state. Okay, let's let's do on different cards now. Okay, I just done MasterCard, but I will do in, okay, I will do in this one now. Which one? Let's see, Visa. Let's take Visa, right? Let's copy Visa. Okay, copy it. You need to generate again passwords. Okay, you need to generate passwords again. Just go to here. Okay, just go to here. Okay, just go to home. Okay, and paste it here. 4. Okay, 5 sorry, 5, and quality is quantity is 100. Okay, now I will take 100 and remove the options. You need to tick only numbers, right? You need to tick only numbers. After numbers, just click on make password, right? I am creating for a Visa now. Okay, Visa is very good, guys. Visa and MasterCard and American Express you can find for American Express, but I am not covering in this. Okay, you need to do on yourselves. Just I will give you a concept. Okay, you can make any types of, but yeah, but the chances will more in MasterCard, Visa. Okay, I just got it 100. Okay, 100 numbers. Okay, just copy it and go to tech machines, select it and delete it and add it here. 4, right? And 4 and paste it here, which you have copied from generated passwords. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, After pasting, just delete this previous results, right? After deleting the previous results, add to prefix. Okay, just click on here as I got it here and copy, select this all and copy it. After copying this, go to Saya Pro. Okay, Saya Pro, and paste it here, right? And submit it, right? Just submit it. This is a previous results, right? But I need now visa. See, I got it a lot of visa, okay, which is very good. See what I see, visa is very good. Visa and Mastercard is very good. You will get a lot of results on it. Okay, see, I got it this, right? Let's wait until the results is over. Okay, I got it results now, I think so. I got it results. Okay, visa results. Let's select anything from here. Okay, US bank. This is a perfect. I what I say in previously. We need exact this format, right? Let's take this bin. Okay, let's take this bin, right? Just copy it. Just copy it and okay. Okay, let's copy it and paste it here. This is a what bin? This is a visa bin. Okay. Oh, but see, how will you find this is a VBV or non VBV? Okay, okay, let's think how will you find this. Okay, you will think that it will, whenever I generate the credit card, it will ask OTP, that's it. No, no, you will find by gateway, right? Gateway, the payment gateway. Okay, payment gateway. Okay, this is a payment gateway, right? Like payment gateway comes under, you can find, you can find there. Okay, you can find, I will teach you how to make your own bin checker, which will show you which one is non VBV and which one is VBV. Okay, so first let's generate full this CCN from it. Okay, let's copy it and go to NAMSO CCN, right? Where is a NAMSO CCN here? Okay, where is it? Sorry, NAMSO CCN, and just paste it here, right? And generate, right? You will get, okay, just copy anything here, just copy it, just copy it and paste it here, right? And paste it here, right? After pasting, how, but I will show you how to perform, how to get, how to know that the website is these cards are VBV or non VBV, right? I will teach you how. Okay, guys. Okay, search here. You need to find first Braintree or Stripe payment gateways websites. Okay, I know one website which will get Braintree. Okay, I will type here either mail. Okay, mail and search here. I will show you how to find. Okay, don't worry, how to find. Okay, wait a minute. I got a call from my friend. Okay. Okay, guys, I came here. Okay, this is a ether email mailer. Okay, this uses Braintree gateway. Okay, right. Wait, I will create account here and I will start. Okay, wait, you also need to create account here, so it is very easy and simple to create account here. So just wait for wait, I will creating account here. Okay, guys, I created account here. So see, yeah, after creating account you will see these types of dashboard. Okay, you need to go on dollar signature. Okay, there is a dollar sign, just go there and type here my subscriptions. Okay, okay, my subscription. See, to check your bin is working or not, you need to check on here, right? You need to show, you need it will show you on upgrade, where you will type your credit cards, right? I will check here. Okay, I will type here. Okay, anything. Okay, 10 euros. Okay, after 10 euros, wait, see, I got it here something. I will type anything. Street 121, zip code 10080, city Canada. States, sorry, states, right? Let's update it. Okay, see, in here I need to select. Okay, one plan. See, you can find this on any website. In any premium website you will find these types of pages which will show you pay with credit card or something. But here important is payment gateway. Payment gateway should be Braintree or Strip. Okay, just create on credit card. Okay, credit card, and go to checkout section, right? Okay, now open the inspect elements, right? Inspect elements. Okay, I got it, the inspect elements, right? In inspect elements, go on networks, right? In networks you need to type on preserve logs. Okay, just click on mark on preserve logs. Okay, after preserve wait, oh my god. After in preserve logs, okay, okay, you just click on preserve logs and type here, which I copied from here. Just credit card number is this one, which I created by Visa. Okay, just copy this one. Okay, after copying this one, just go to the here and paste your credit card and see. After pasting the credit card, once this is our CCV, copy this 107 double 1123. Okay, right, 107, right, type here 107 1123, 1123, right? Just click on pay. Okay, okay, let's see here. Wait, okay, guys, see here, there is in this field it's showing me the credit card data is invalid. Okay, the credit card data is invalid. So here we need to focus on GraphQL and lookup. Okay, let's get it more. Okay, see, go in GraphQL. Okay, go in sorry, go in GraphQL headers. Okay, let's see the response. Okay, go to response. See, I just there is a no response. Okay, there is a no response there. we will find here other graph HQL. Just click on other, just go to headers. Okay, okay. See, here is a Braintree payment gateway. Go to preview. Okay, see it. Okay, go to response. See, in response, what we are getting? We are getting token, right? Token. In token, see, there is a token, right? Just see more. Okay, timing, token. Okay, we are not finding. Okay, we are not getting anything. But see, from GraphQL, you can find tokens, right? I will it will help you a lot to make a checkers. Okay, it will help you a lot to make a checkers. I will show. Okay, I will show it. Go to lookup. No, lookup. There is a no response here. Okay, let's take other lookup. Okay, go to preview. Okay, this is a response. Go to preview, right? There is a payment method is showing me. Type credit card, right? It's showing me type credit card. Description is ending of. Okay, okay. Go to lookup again. Okay, see, transcription ID I am getting here. Go to payment method, right? It's getting me bin. Okay, last two digit, and see what I will get. Okay, go to here. It's showing me nothing. Okay, go to details. I need to check this out. Okay, there is a showing me bin only. Okay, go to 3D secure info. Are you seeing 3D secure info there? What is a 3D secure info? Let's go on 3D secure info here. Okay, 3D secure info is null. Okay, authentications is null. Okay, okay. Reliability. Okay, true. Let's go here. It's I am finding again here 3D secure info. Go to here. Let's check this code. Okay, look up. Go to look up. Okay, 3D transcription. Okay, I just wait a minute. Okay, this is a payment method, right? This is a credit card. Okay, we need to check the where is the card holder. Okay, 3D here is showing me liberty shifted. Okay, what is this? Okay, wait guys, due to some calls there are getting lot of calls. Okay, wait, sorry for that. Okay guys, I am back. Okay, okay, sorry for that. Let's do it again. Okay, let's do it again. Let's clear it. Go see in GraphQL, it will show me. Okay, it's what GraphQL do means it will show you the exact information which the API is using. Okay, it will using Braintree, right? Okay, it is Braintree. See, I am getting token, right? Credit card, Visa. Okay, this will help you. Okay, I tell you again. Okay, go to lookup. What GraphQL will transfer the data means it will transfer the credit card to lookup to look whether it is VBN or non VBV, or it is a valid credit card or debt credit card. It will transfer to lookup. Okay, we need to focus on lookup. What the extensions we get? Okay, we get a double lookup, so there is a no preview, right? Let's check out another lookup. Okay, see, in another lookup we are getting these informations, right? Transcriptions. Okay, I will get some. Okay, transcription. Let's go to payment method. Okay, what is a 3D security indicates? See, there is a 3D security. 3D security indicates the there is container. What? This is a non VBV. This is a VBV or non VBV. It's indicated. Okay, let's check. This is a VBV or non VBV. Okay, see, let's go on details of bins. Okay, you need to check it out. Okay, let's let's check it out. Go to threshold secure. Okay, the threshold secure. See, the transcription ID is null, right? in lookup, let's check in lookup, right? In lookup it's showing me null. Okay, null means the transcription id is unsuccessful. Okay, see, but see, but see, in lookup the 3D security, see, 3D security is contain the id. In the id, the 3D secure server transcription id is null, right? Here is null, but here see the status the authenticate attempts successful, right? But here it's showing the go to lookup. See, let's again we do. Okay, just clear this. Okay, okay, see, go to payment method, right? Here is a payment method. I need to check. Okay, you need to check each and everything here. Go to 3D secure info, right? In 3D secure info, get enroll it, and you will see the ACH null means no. Okay, null means no, but you will need to notice on lookup. Here is a lookup, right? Here is a lookup. Just extend it. Okay, let's extend it and see the status is authentication attempt successful, means it will, this is not a, this is not a VBV, this bin is non VBV, right? This bin is non VBV. How I get it that? Because it will show here failed, right? Right, I will show you on VBV, right? I will show you on VBV. Let's copy the request. Okay, let's copy it and paste it here. The response of, right, the response of Braintree, you need to find Braintree, right? Braintree sites. Okay, you will get a lot of Braintrees. Okay, the response of Braintree when the when the when the bin is non VBV, it will show this response. Okay, this response, what is the response is, the status is this one, right? This is a authentication attempt successful, right? This is a response. Let's see what is a response of another bins. Okay, okay, this is, I look it on the, okay, it's attempt successful, right? Let's clear it out. This let's clear. Okay, let's clear, and again we'll paste here other. Okay, another one. Let's go to NAMSO CCGen. Let's type this CC, copy it and paste it here, right? What we will get, let's see. Okay, paste it here. We need to check on lookup. See, I got it a lookup, right? Let's go on lookup. There is a not value. Let's check this lookup, second lookup. Let's see payment method, right? Payment method details. Okay, trans, this is a 3D secure info is there. Okay, right? In 3D secure info, let's check this is a VBV or not. See, this is also a non VBV, right? See, this is also a non VBV. Let's check other. Let's check MasterCard, right? Wait guys, they are calling me. Wait, sorry. Okay, my mates, I came back. Okay, see, let's try on MasterCard. Okay, okay, where is my MasterCard bin, right? Okay, go to NAMSO. Where is, this is my, okay, done. See, let's go to MasterCard. This is a MasterCard, right? Let's copy. Okay, it's having a bank. Okay, let's copy this one. Okay, let's copy and generate, paste it here. Okay, just paste it here and generate. Take one. Okay, just take one SSCCN. What is the 625? Okay, right, just paste it here. just paste it here. What here? 625, right? 0625, 0625, and then what I get it? Wait a minute, here I got it. 21 367, right? 367. This is a master card, right? 367. Let's see this one, okay? If it is a VBV or non VBV, right? Just pay. It's taking a time, okay? Okay, it's taking a lot of time. Your card data is invalid. Check it here. Okay, go to lookup. Okay, there is a no response. Go to lookup again. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here, right? Wait, I will make it long. Okay, just see. Go to lookup, right? In first we are getting lookup. Go to lookup. It's saying the 3D secure version is 1.0.2, right? Okay, see, let's see, this is a VBV or non VBV, right? See, this is a bin data. Okay, prepaid. This is a prepaid. No, this is not a prepaid. It's showing no. Debit, no. They are showing debit, no. Let's see here. This is a debit or not. Okay, which I copied. This is a see, this is a credit, right? Here also showing there. Here is there are showing this is a debit. It's asking the value is debit. Is responding no. Okay, we can also find this. Okay, go to 3 see, this is a 3D secure, right? Go to here and see the authentication. Let's go to is a null. Okay, right? And I am getting here lookup. Here I am getting lookup. Just see the authentication attempt successful. This is a non VBV, right? This is also a non VBV. Yes. This is also a non VBV bin. Let's find the response of VBV. Okay, let's find the response of VBV, right? How to find the response of VBV? See, this is my luck. Okay, this is my luck. Whenever I showing you, it's only showing me VBV, right? Okay, if I type here in this, there are many bins are VBV. Okay, VBV, but some are non VBV, but some are public. Okay. Let's create prepaid now. Okay, let's check the prepaid. Ask prepaid is prepaid is 3D protected by 3D. Okay, just generate prepaid card. Okay, let's generate here USA, right? Canada. Okay, just filter it. Oh, why I am not getting anything? Let's type on classic, type on virtual, just filter it. There are okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. I create. Wait a minute. I need. Wait. Just type on Visa, right? Okay, type on Visa. Type on prepaid. Type on business or virtual. Okay, I just type it on virtual, and I will select country Canada and filter it. Wait, there are showing 0 bins. Okay, let's do it again. Visa, prepaid, just only Visa and prepaid. Yes, I got it. 5140 bins. Okay, I got it. 5140 bins. This is a prepaid, right? Let's do it. Okay, let copy this and generate this one. Okay, paste it here. I got it, this one. Okay, just copy this CCN, copy it, go to here and paste it here. let's paste it here. Let's clear the previous results and type on pay now. What I will get, let's see. Okay, go to lookup. See, here is 3D secure payment info. Okay, 3D secure. I'm getting lookup. Authentication attempt successful. But what I don't know why it's showing me all non-VBV accounts, right? Okay, this is a good, guys. These bins are very good. Okay, see here. See what here showing status authentication attempt successful, right? Means it will a non-VBV, right? This is a non-VBV. If the VBV, it will show you a lot of difference. Okay, let's find a VBV. Actually, I find previously I just find it more VBV, which will ask OTPs, right? Right, but it's our luck we don't find VBV, but at in your time you will find VBV accounts. But how to find the response? Okay, how to find the response? Okay, how to find the response means you need to see whenever whenever in this response, if you type a VBV bin, you will get these types of response. Okay, you will, if the wait if you have non VBV VBV, you will get response of Braintree lookup enroll. The response is lookup underscore lookup underscore enroll, right? See, in VBV you will find this response in Braintree. I don't recommend you to type on, just find the sites of non Braintree. Okay, I will show you how to find that sites. Okay, you no need to worry. Okay, just go on it. See, in lookup you need to, in every Braintree it will have a response of lookup, right? Lookup in lookup there is a 3D secure, right? In 3D secure, just maximize it. Okay, let's see, we need to open this all. Okay, to authentication, let's see, authentication transcription is null, but the lookup, see the lookup is a response. Okay, lookup is a response which find that you have a VBV and non VBV. Okay, if your bin is non VBV, here you will get this response lookup enrolled, you will get this response. Okay, you will get this response lookup enrolled. Okay, this is how you can check your website is VBV or non VBV. But see, by using this bin you can create many trials like Spotify, like Amazon Prime, like anything, but I will not teach you in this, but this is a basic method. Okay, this is a basic thing, you can find a lot of videos on YouTube. Okay, but this is a main, if you are coder, you know the value of bins. Okay, you can use these bins for to buy CCs. Okay, it will, this is a non VBV and you need to find the country. Okay, that's it, guys, that's it. But you can check right, you can check always like type the credit card and this one and check the, and you need to maximize it, and this is take a lot of time, but I will teach you how to make this automatic. Means I will teach you how to code your own bin checker, right? Okay, this is our next topic, how to code your bin checker, right? Let's pause the video, I have some work. Okay, I will continue it. Hi guys. Okay, see, this is a link, just see this and pay and type this. Okay, and type this. Okay, this way, this is a script. Okay, this is a script which will help you to make uh, mass mass bin checker, which is which tell you it's not VBV or not BBV. Okay, I will show you how to do it. Okay, okay, first we need a Zenmap, right? Because we need to host it locally in our, okay, in our system. Okay, so I need to install Zenmap. Okay, for to install Zenmap, okay, wait, we need to download this. Okay, let's download on desktop. Okay, right, we downloaded successfully. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, it's downloading, guys. Okay, you need to download Zenmap. Okay, see, it's downloaded successfully. Okay, right. So, okay, you need to download Zenmap will help you a lot. Okay, this is a Zenmap. Guys, to install this is take a lot of time to download it. Okay, I already installed it, so you just click on which your PC Windows and download it. Okay, let's pause the video, I will download and I will message. Okay guys, I downloaded Zenmap. Just click to run as administrator, right? Run as administrator. Okay, it will help you to host your website in local networks. Okay, it will help you a lot. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, it started. Okay, important. Okay, just type next. Okay, next, 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 next. Wait, it's preparing to install. Keep the using this app, right? Let's make Firefox. No, I will pray. Okay, important because active. Wait, I'm getting a problem. Next type. Wait a minute. No, because this is VM, it's showing us some problems, right? I think so, because in my PC it never show these types of problems. Okay, don't worry, let's type cancel here. Yes. Oh, it's installing, right? Let's see, I just opened two times. Okay, that's why it's showing. Let's next, the folder is not empty, because please select different folders. Okay, let's type Zenmap 2, right? Okay, learn more about for Zenmap. Next, setup is now ready to being installed. Okay, wait. takes a time. Okay, I will pause the video.